Introducing WODE Hand and Body Disinfectant Spray, a new generation of sanitizers that disinfect against 99.9999% of harmful bacteria and germs without compromising safety. WODE Hand and Body Disinfectant Spray is produced through the process of controlled electrolysis, which yields high percentage of HOCl.
HOCl, similar to our immune system's natural disinfectant, is a beneficial oxidant in eliminating invading bacteria and germs. It cleanses all surfaces, is child-friendly, and suitable for pregnant ladies. It is 100% safe for daily usage, eliminates odor, and is formulated with no alcohol and toxic ingredients, making it harmless even when accidentally ingested. It is also tested by Viroxy Lab on HFMD viruses.
To use, simply spray on objects on surfaces. No rinsing is required. All WODE disinfectants have been clinically tested and certified by accredited laboratories to be 99.9999% effective against germs and bacteria. Now, you can sanitize and disinfect anytime, anywhere. WODE Hand and Body Disinfectant Spray. Stay protected for you and your loved ones.